Hello friends, welcome to Nabla Mami Online Maths. In this video, we shall continue solving linear inequalities and graph our solutions on number line. And this lesson is going to be the second lesson of this particular topic. And I have one example on the board for us to go through. And the example says, solve 3 whole number 1 over 2 less than 5 over 4 multiplying 9x minus 2 minus 7 over 8 multiplying 7x minus 1 less than or equal to 8 whole number 5 over 8. So we are going to solve this linear inequality. Then after that, we graph our solution on a number line. And you can see that this example is different from the lesson 1 examples because this one we have mixed fractions. So let's look at how we solve this particular inequality. So now, the first thing that you will do is that convert the mixed fractions into improper fraction. That is the first step for this particular question. So you see that 3 whole number 1 over 2, I have to convert it to improper fraction. And to convert a mixed number into improper fraction, take the whole number, multiply by the denominator, and then add the numerator. After that, you divide by the numerator. So now, I'll take 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So that means that I'll have 7 over 2, which is the same as 3 whole number 1 over 2. Then less than 5 over 4 multiplying 9x minus 2 minus 7 over 8 multiplying 7x minus 1 less than or equal to, this one too is a mixed number. I have to convert it to improper fraction. So 8 times 8 is 64. 64 plus 5, that will be 69. So I'll get 69 over 8. Next step, you have to multiply through this particular inequality by a particular LCM that will remove the denominators. And the LCM for 2, 4, and 8 is going to be 8. So I'm going to multiply the whole of this by 8. So LCM is equal to 8. So meaning here I'll have 8 times 7 over 2 less than 8 times 5 over 4 multiplying by 9x minus 2 minus 8 times 7 over 8 multiplying by 7x minus 1 less than or equal to 8 times 69 over 8. This is what I'll get. Then you see that here 2 will go into 8 4 times. Then I'll use the 4 to multiply by 7. That will give me 28 less than 4 into 8 is 2. 2 times 5, 10. So I have 10 into 9x minus 2 minus, this will cancel this 8. I will now have 7 multiplying 7x minus 1 less than or equal to, here to this 8 will take this 8. I'll have 69 here. Then next step, I will multiply these numbers with the brackets and open the bracket. So now I'll have 28 less than 10 times 9x, that will be 90x. 10 times minus 2, that will be minus 20. Here, minus 7 times 7x, it will be minus 49x. Minus 7 times minus 1, that will be positive 7. Less than or equal to 69. Next step, we'll add like terms here. So meaning I'll have 28 less than 90x minus 49x is going to be 31. Sorry, 41. 90 minus 49 is 41x. Then minus 20 plus 7 is minus 13. Less than or equal to 69. Then after this, you see that this minus 13 is a number that is constant. We have to send it to the right and send it to the left and leave 41x to be in the middle because we are going to solve for x. And you know that this one is negative. When it crosses this inequality signs, it will become positive. So here I will now have 28 plus 13 less than 41x less than or equal to 69 plus 13. Like I said, you are sending this one here and you are sending it to this side too. 28 plus 13. 28 plus 13 is 41. Less than 41x. Less than or equal to 69 plus 13 is 82. Then from this point, you divide through by the coefficient of x here, which is 41. So I'm going to divide this through by 41. So here will be 41 over 41 less than 41x over 41 less than or equal to 82 over 41. And you can see that 41 over 41 is 1. So I have 1 less than 41 will take 41, leaving only x. Then less than or equal to 82 over 41 is 2. Then that means that my solution for this inequality is 1 is less than x less than or equal to 2. Then we'll now put this solution on a number line. So let's look at how you graph it. I have my number line. Let me mark it. So let's say here is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, to graph this one, you first look at the value here, which is 1. So you go to 1 and put your circle there. And you look at this sign. Is it less than or equal to or less than or greater than or equal to or greater than? So you see that here is less than. So since it's less than, we are going to leave this circle unpainted or unshaded. So it's going to be open circle. Then you see that the next one is less than or equal to 2. So I'll go to 2 and mark again. But you see that this sign is less than or equal to, meaning I'm going to paint this particular one. Then after that, I will draw lines to touch these circles. And now write. X is said that 1 is less than x, less than or equal to 2. Then I'll close it. So that means that we are graphing this on a number line. Thank you for watching this video. If this is your first time of watching, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nabla Mahmi Online Maths, so that you'll be notified anytime a new video is being uploaded. Bye bye.